Are you stuck in your previous agent and want to start a new one? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just make sure you are under any GPT that you had previously created. So for me, I was creating this GPT right here, and now I want to create a new agent for me. So what I can do is make sure you have AgentGPT opened, and right here on the bottom you should be seeing three options: pause, stop, and redo. So just simply select this redo option right here. So once I selected this redo icon, you should be on the main menu right here, where you can just simply change your prompt and the name of it, and then just simply start right here again, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily create a new agent in AgentGPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.